Hi everyone, Daniela's back again. Yeah, I told you I'll be back at midnight. So it's midnight where I am. So where you are all are, it'll be at a different time when you get this vid. Okay, this type of vid is a lot different type because this type of vid is kind of like a asking a question type of a vid. Yeah. So this is your chance now to help me to take, no, this is your chance to help me, with something. So I strongly suggest that you all do give your comments in the comment section below. Because here is the questions now. Okay, so you all probably know that I have been singing so far based in my singing vids that you have seen here in my YouTube channel. But my question is do you know, the way how I sing, is it like that, is it like me actually being jealous of other people who just sing like straight up, like straight out in the blue, without ever just studying the words, without even looking at any of the lyrics of any songs? Is it okay for me to be like having the lyrics and singing it from the lyrics, and also from my iPod, from other songs, like from my iPod here, and my phone a little bit, but not much. From my phone, no, but is it really okay for me to be jealous of the people who just straight out sing without even looking at the lyrics of the song itself? That, and also, um, that, and also, is it also really okay for me to be like in a way how I am, like in a way of what I just said in this vid? Like what I just said, just previously. Yeah. Is it okay for me to be in that way? Because I have no clue if I'm jealous of those people who actually do those things though. Yeah. I just really want to know. I just really want to know if I really am jealous of those people who just seems like straight out of the blue, without ever studying the lyrics of the songs. Because I don't really mean to be like in the way how I am now, but sorry, please do my burp there. I don't mean to do that. But also, speaking about that part, when I do burp and I do what I just did there, I also get a little embarrassed because of that. Yeah. I hope it's okay that I not try to show the burping part. Because I just don't want to show you that to all of you, but even though that I do know that we all do burp, yeah, eventually it's at some point, right? But for me, I just don't really want to like to show that off to anyone on the internet. And I have no clue of why I actually do that straight on a camera like this. Yeah. But I just want to ask the first questions I just asked already. That. And also, and also the please do let me know also please do let me know if I'm sorry if I'm kind of staring at you all. I'm sorry, but I just don't mean to. But it's just I'm just trying my best to really show like how I am a female and all, but I just wish that I got some more female tips. Like how to be more as a female. Because even though I know for a fact that females don't really have beards like this, I know that. And I am, like, going at some point I will have to see about getting the laser hair removal, and I will get that, yes. But I just don't know when yet. And I'm sorry if I'm dragging this out for a long time because I just don't mean to, but it's just something I just want to do. I'm sorry everyone if I do drag the time out like this for this amount. I'm sorry, but I just can't help it. I'm just a person who just loves to talk to all of you. And I really do hope that you all will give your comments in the comment section. Because I always wanted to talk to every one of you. So please, do what you can to give your comments. Please. Because I'm just yearning for more comments. Honestly, I am. I just love the art of conversation. And I just want to have that to all of you. So please, give me your comments. Please. And I'm sorry that I'm kind of begging here, but I just can't help it. It's just how I am. Also, hang on. I can do this better. I hope you all like that part, because I was trying to be cute. I really do hope that you all do find that cute, because I always wanted to show that. But I'm trying my best to step out of my own boundaries and to go into some place that's a lot newer. Because I haven't been there at all. And I just want to do something that's new. Yeah. But I am trying to do that. I am. But I'm a little scared to come straight out like that. So please do give your comments. Please. Please. If there's some goddesses out there, is there any goddesses out there who would give their beautiful comments to this one little cute puppy? Please. Because I'm just so yearning to talk to you all in the comment section. So please give loads and tons of comments. Because I always want a lot of comments. Like a lot. So that way I can be able to talk to all of you. So that way I can be able to really let you all know like how I am and how I feel. And stuff like that in the comment section without putting that into a vid like this. So that way you all won't get to see the long vids like these. Yeah. I'm sorry for making these long vids. I'm sorry, but it's just how I am, okay? So please don't hate me. I'm just missing something. And that something is someone to call as my own lover. I'm sorry for making this really emotional and really with a lot of emotions. I'm sorry. Because I really do want to have my own love on my own. I really do. I want it so freaking badly. Because I would do anything. I would do absolutely anything for her. That's right, I said her, because I am a lesbian too. And I'm not scared to come out like this. I'm not scared at all. No. I've been in this way. I've been in this way for a long time. A very long time. Ever since I was little. I always was a female. Never as a male that you see now. So I just don't want anyone to call me ugly. Like based upon how I look. Because that's not right. That is actually being prejudiced and also to be as judging too. But if you can't tell, I'm actually crying right now because I'm like trying to pour my heart and my soul into these vids to let you all know like how I am and how I feel and stuff like that. But yeah, I know that there are certain people that don't want to know how I feel, but you're gonna have to get used to it because I know that not many YouTubers actually come out like this in sort of a. They don't know because they just hide this sort of thing away from all of their own subscribers. And that's not good, no. So which is why I'm putting this out to all of you. And I'm very sorry for making these long vids. I'm very sorry, but it's just how I am and just how I do it, okay? So please don't hate me because of that. And I'm just trying my best to really show and to entertain all of you. I'm trying my best to do that. And I know it's a little hard for me, but I'm trying to do it, okay? But, so please, don't, command or demand things. Please don't. Just ask politely without being rude. Because I'm not the one we all don't like being rude, right? But I'm the only one person who actually dislikes people who are rude. And those people who are rude should stop being rude completely. They should stop it. Really. Because we all know that we all don't like rude people, right? It's not the rude people, no. It's the people who are being rude. Sorry. I don't mean to do that. I really don't. But I just only want all of you lovely people out there to really see me in a different light. And not just only in a different light. Also to see me in another new perspective. Like from my perspective. Because my perspective is like not exactly seeing people like as being rude, no. And not exactly people who are always complaining, no. And not the people who always say that they don't have time when they all do have time. It's all about just emptying out their minds. And it's really easy to do. You all can find things. You can all find newer ways to reschedule and to reorganize what you all have to do. It's not that hard. And I am like suggesting this sort of thing, okay? Because it's just a change that I know that all of you can make. So please make it. Please. And I'm sorry this is going on longer than I wanted it to go, but I just can't help this like this, but something inside of me just snapped. And it's like wanting to be dramatic to all of you. So please do find it in your own hearts to give your comments to me. Please. And thank you for doing so. But I am very understanding and I am very flexible as well. And I know that all of you are too. So please do give your comments, please. I'm not just only begging. Actually, yes, I am begging. Sorry. But also, I just really want to know all the things what I just said in this bit, okay? Please do give your comments, please. And thank you for doing so. Also, I'm going to have to leave you all now because this vid is going on longer than it is now. So, please do give your comments, please. All of you. Because I really want loads and tons of comments in all of my vids that I upload into my YouTube channel. Please do comment. Please. Because I'm just yearning to have a conversation to all of you. And I just love having conversations to all of you. So please, let me be part. So please, let yourselves go and into your own conversations. Not into your own conversations, no, sorry. In your comments. Into your own comments, which would be directed to me and me only. Sorry for that part. I don't mean like that. But I just really want it like that because I really do. And by the way, that's my girlish sigh. Because I only do that only when I'm like really mega bored. And I'm sorry for putting that out there, I'm sorry. So until then, let's just study out. I really do hope that you all will give your comments. Please, I'm begging you. Please, give your comments. Because I know you all won't regret making those comments. I know you won't. Because I just really want to talk to all of you. I really want to. So please, don't just do it for yourself. Don't just do it for only for yourselves. Also do it for me too. Because I really do want to have a conversation to all of you. In all of my vids. Honestly. Pile up all those conversations. All of them into all of my vids. If you can. So that way I can be able to talk to all of you. Wonderful people. Because I really am a nice, kind, caring, nurturing type of a person that I am. Because that's just how I am. Please, give your comments. And also, I really do hope if you all do find me attractive, please, no, sorry, sorry for that part, if you're a lesbian too, that's great, I'm happy for you. But if you're not, and that's okay too, I understand for that too as well, and that's fine too, I don't mind that either. But I just like having conversations to all of you. Lovely people, honestly. Because I know exactly what you want to hear. Because I have all the right words to say. Honestly. So please do give your comments, please. I'll see you on the next vid. Bye for now, everyone. I'll see you in the next vid. Until then,